This is the Matebook X Pro, in my opinion as close as you can get to the perfect laptop, but nothing is perfect. Even though the Matebook X Pro has no major flaws, there are a couple of small things that you should be aware of. Now, because this laptop does so many things right, I will focus on the few things that it does wrong first. So let's get into it. The trackpad on the Matebook X Pro is, in my opinion, the worst part of it. Now, the tracking is good and it's plenty big and generally nice to use, but the glass is a little bit loose and this results in this annoying wiggly feel and subtle click noise. It's just something that annoys me, and to be fair, the fact that this is the worst part of the laptop says a lot about it. The second thing that I don't think is perfect is the keyboard. The keys have a good size and the backlight works great, but I just found that the key trail is a bit too low. It's nowhere near as bad as the butterfly keys that Apple used for a couple of generations, but it's still a fair bit worse than something like the XPS keyboard or even the ThinkPad keyboard. The last thing that could be seen as a negative is the webcam placement. This one, however, is a bit subjective. If you value privacy over a good webcam angle, then this is actually a plus. But if you prefer a better webcam experience over the ability to physically block the webcam, then this is a minus. And that's it. That's literally all the things that I found wrong with this laptop. Everything else is great. It has great speakers, great build quality, lightweight, sleek design, incredible screen, good battery life of around 8 to 10 hours of casual use, and a decent port selection compared to other options on the market. Now the only thing left to complain about is the price. But when you compare it to similar options like the Razer Blade or Dell XPS, this is actually fairly competitive. So if you can live with these 3 small compromises, I think that this is a great option. Of course, there is still the matter that it looks very similar to the MacBook, but companies get inspired by each other all the time, and there's actually quite a few differences between these devices. It's not just the operating system that makes the difference. As a last note, you should be aware of the current tension between the US and Huawei. However, this is not something that hindered or influenced my experience with the laptop in any way, shape or form. That has been all for this video. If you liked it, remember to leave a like on the video and even subscribe to my channel for more zoomed in tech content. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comment section down below. I read every single comment and I will do my best to give a helpful answer. See you next time.